first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open these valves to let, and you can hear the water going outside. So we're gonna open them and let all the water drain out of them. This is a quarter turn, and this is one of those. So anyways, we're gonna use this guy. This it's a rigid tool to cut the copper. Maybe on the other pipe I'll show a different way, because some people might want to buy different tools and stuff. Maybe. Anyways, this one is kind of a tight little squeeze here. We can barely go around the pipe because it's so tight to this that we did cut it. It is cut, but it's not cut, So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut it a little lower now that I got it loose, because you're gonna run into these problems. You think there's always gonna be a problem. So now that I can move the pipe, I can go all the way around. So what I did is I scored the pipe in the back. Now you see now you can go all the way around. But we're gonna cut all the way around in a different spot, because that way you get a nice cut all the way around the pipe. Now, just going to go around and around again. Okay, and there it is. Nice cut. First you cut this to make this cut, and then you have a nice clean cut because you're able to move the pipe. So now let me show this one with a little bit different tool. Okay, this tool, it's a multi-tool, so it'll cut wood, it'll cut metal. You just have to get the different kind of blades, and the blades will tell you if it's for wood or metal. So this one's made by Rigid. The reason I buy a lot of these tools is their lifetime guarantee, so you never have to buy one again. Anyways, let's give it a try. I'm going to turn off the sound because it's very noisy tool. As you can see, it's a lot better. It's a lot better tool. So, anyways, they're not that expensive. I think that these tools are under $100 for the body and the head. So, and you can get different attachments for them. They have sanders and all kinds of things. So, maybe I'll do a review on some of these tools. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the description.
No, in the comments.
Oh, whatever. All right. If you. All right. Well, hold on.
Moving on.
Okay. Anyways, okay. Maybe in the future I could do a couple of reviews on these tools, and if you just let me know if you're interested in some reviews. Let me know down in the comments. Okay. So here's what I was talking about the tool and the different blades that you can use. As you can see, they say wood. Can you zoom in on that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so So we're going to use the wider one to cut through the 2-inch pipe, since it's, you know, the small one is going to be a little bit tricky to get in there and move around. So, and by the way, Rigid's not sponsoring us or anything like that. I just buy these tools. I like them and I just buy them. Anyways, let's see. Let's get this off of here. And let's see a little more. Anyways, so the blade comes right off, and the other blade just goes right in there. Hold on. There we go. This fits right in. You tighten it. And now they make these with quick change, so it's a lot faster. Maybe I'll buy some of those and test them out. It's a lot faster. You don't have to use a bolt anymore. So maybe I'll buy a different head with one of those quick attachments. All right, so I'm gonna cut right through this thing so we can get it. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't tighten it all the way. So we're going to tighten that. Okay. All right, ready? And sometimes the blade is too short to get all the way in there, so you know, you gotta, to finish it off, you might use another tool. So let me go get another tool.